we are going to learn what is small number and what is big number. Let's see what is that. Children, we have already learned the concept big and small. When we compare two objects, we compare them based on their size. So, if an object is small in size, it is a small object. If it is a big in size, it is a big object. So, let's see few objects and we compare them. These are Rubik's cubes. This Rubik's cube is big in size, so it is a big object. This Rubik's cube is small in size, so it is a small object. Big, small. Children, in the same way, we will take numbers in place of objects. Before we move on, let's learn what is a small number and what is a big number. Children, now we have taken numbers from 0 to 9. All these numbers are single digit numbers. Now let's see, when we compare two numbers from 0 to 9, the number which is closer to 0 is known as smaller number. The number which is far away from 0 is known as bigger number. Now let's see some examples. We are comparing these two numbers, 3 and 6. So now we have to find out which is smaller number. Let's see here. The number which is closer to 0 is known as smaller number. Now 3 and 6. If we see here, 3 is closer to 0, 6 is far away from 0. 3 is the smaller number because 3 is closer to 0. We are comparing these two numbers, 9 and 4. Now we have to find out bigger number. Let's see how it is. Bigger number means the number which is far away from 0. If you see here, 4 is closer to 0, 9 is far from 0. Now, which is the bigger number, children? 9 is the bigger number. Children, we saw how to find out smaller number and bigger number in one digit number. Now, let's see how to find them in two digit numbers. Children, now we have few two digit numbers here. Now, let's find which is the smallest number. In every two digit number, we have ones place and tens place. So, whenever we are finding smallest number, we have to see tens place. So, when we compare tens place with other numbers, here 1 means tens, here 2 means 20. Again here tens and here 30s. So, when we compare 1 with 2, 2 is big. Again when we compare with 1, both are same. Again when we compare 1 with 3, 3 is big number. So, now 2 and 3 are big numbers. So, we have to take 14 and 11. When we compare 14 and 11, tens place is same. Now, find out ones place. Here 4, here 1. We know already 1 is closer to 0. So, when we compare 14 and 11, 11 is the smallest number. Let's see one more example. Now, let's find out which is the biggest two-digit number among these. Children, when we take two-digit number, we know that we have to compare with ones and tens place. Now, if you compare tens place, here number 2. When 2 is compared with 5, 5 is the bigger number. Now, let's see next number. When we compare 5 with 5, both are same. Now, one more number. Compare 5 with 1. 5 is the bigger number. Now, 23 and 19 are smaller numbers. Now, 54 and 56 are bigger numbers. Again, when we compare tens place, both are same. So, now we have to compare with ones place. Here 4, here 6. So, already we know 4 is closer to 0, 6 is far from 0. Means 4 is small number, 6 is big number. So when we see number 54 and number 56, when we compare 54 and 56, 56 is the bigger number. Now among these 4 numbers, 56 is the biggest number. Children, I hope you all understood what is smaller number and what is bigger number. Thank you so much.